So I just cleaned my nails. I took off all my old gel polish, and I'm just shaping my nails, just filing them, getting the shape that I want. And now I'm going to use my cuticle oil, not my cuticle oil, my cuticle softener. And then I'm just going to rub that in, and then just grab my cuticle pusher and just gently push back my cuticles like that, very gently. Just very gently like that. And then I used my cuticle nipper and just nip all those little hangnails and dead skin. And now just gently buff and wash my hands. And just go back and get any little hangnails that I missed the first time. I really want my nail beds to be nice and clean and just perfecting my nail shape. And these are the base coat and the top coats, and the Bond-Aid that I use. It just dehydrates my nail, gets rid of all the oils or water on my nails. And then base coat, and then first coat of the nail polish of this OPI color, and the color is, oh my god, I forgot, just had a brain fart in the middle of this video. Bubble bath, there you go. Sorry, it's late at night and I'm doing this voiceover, and just go cure it in the UV light. And then the second coat, make sure to cap it, do every single nail, and then just clean up the sides with my little brush and some acetone or alcohol. You can use either one. And then the fun part begins. Just don't think about it too much. Just do it, because the more you think about it, the more that you'll mess up. And practice makes perfect. And then you can always just go back and fix it if you don't like how it looks. So that is the result. I only do one coat of the white tip, and then I just add my top coat, my clear top coat, and also cap each nail. And this is just a cotton square with alcohol to wipe off the tacky layer, and then just kind of file them again, and then add the cuticle oil, rub them in, and then my favorite lotion. Makes my hands nice and soft, and that's it, the final look. Thanks so much for my TikTok follower that asked me if I could do this on my fingernails, because as you guys already know, you guys have seen this on my toes. And here it is. Follow me on TikTok. Thanks for watching.